Tired of tax headaches turning your entrepreneurial dreams into a compliance nightmare? Let's dive into setting up worry-free tax collection on Stripe in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and click on the Settings tab located in the top right corner. Scroll down the Settings menu and find the Tax option. Click on Tax to access your tax settings. Now, let's configure your tax rates. Click on the Add Tax Rate button to begin setting up the different tax rates you need to collect based on your customer's location. A form will appear. Start by giving your tax rate a descriptive name, for example, California sales tax. Then, enter the tax rate as a percentage. Finally, select the country this tax rate applies to. You can also add a description for your reference. Stripe makes location-based taxation easy. It automatically calculates taxes based on your customer's billing or shipping address. Make sure you've configured all relevant countries where you're required to collect taxes. Stripe also offers compliance features like generating tax reports and helping you manage your tax registrations across different jurisdictions. Explore these options to streamline your tax reporting process and avoid legal pitfalls. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to accurately collecting taxes and staying compliant, letting you focus on growing your business.